Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Byte. In this video we are going to learn about density based clustering. In the previous video I have discussed about partitioning clustering and hierarchical clustering. If you guys wanted to learn that, then please look at that video. Let's start the video without any delay. First of all, let us know what is meant by density based clustering. Density based clustering is a method that forms clusters based on high density regions of data points and separates low density points as noise or outliers. Let us understand this by taking an example. Imagine like you are looking into a crowded map. In that crowded map, we have places like malls, parks and markets which are very nearer to each other, and we have other places like streets, and here the people will be look very crowded in the places where we are having malls, parks and markets, right? And people will be less crowded in the street areas, right? Similarly, here people are the data points. Areas with many close data points becomes clusters, and areas with less data points will be treated as noise or outliers. Understood? This is how data points in density based clustering is grouped into clusters, which means we can simply say that in density based clustering the data points are clustered using density. Understood? Data points are clustered based on density. In this density based clustering, the commonly used main algorithm is dbSCAN. Here dbSCAN means density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. And in density based clustering we are having some terms. Now we will discuss about that terms. The terms in density based clustering are epsilon, min points, core point, border point and noise point. We will understand about these terms by looking a diagram. We will understand more clearly in that diagram. Just remember these points and later in that diagram we will discuss more clearly. Epsilon means radius of circle. Epsilon is denoted with this symbol. And min points means minimum points. The minimum number of points inside a circle or area is nothing but min points. And third one is core point. Core point means a point which satisfies the minimum number of points is nothing but a core point. A point that has at least minimum points. Here the minimum points is considered along with epsilon. And border point. Border point means a point close to the core point but with few data points, which means the point which does not satisfy minimum number of points but it is nearer to the core point, that is called as border point. And noise point. Noise point means a point that does not belong to any cluster. This is nothing but noise point. Now we will understand about these points more clearly by taking this example. Here adjust with circles. I have not drawn circles well, and in this diagram we are having 6 points, right? P, Q, R, S, T and epsilon, and the minimum points given is 3. In this diagram we are specifying which is core point, border point and noise point. Okay, and here we are having Q, P and R. The points which are on the border or which are the center of the circle or which are inside the circle should be considered. Here we have 3 points, right? So P is considered as core point. And if we look for R, here we have R, S and P. So that R is considered as another core point. Understood? Here Q and S are border points, which means a point close to core point but with few data points. Here Q does not satisfy minimum points, right? And also S do not satisfy minimum points. So that Q and S are considered as border point. Q and S. And the points which are neither border point and nor core point is nothing but noise point, which means a point does not belong to any cluster is noise point. And here T is considered as noise point. Understood? This is about the terms of density based clustering. I think you guys understood about the terms noise point, border point, core point and minimum points and epsilon. That's all for this video. In this video we have discussed about density based clustering. Next video we are going to discuss about grid based clustering. Until then, stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Study Byte. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video.